Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reacting to The Rose, the song She's in the Rain music video. I'm really excited. The Rose is my second favorite band after Ant Flying. So Ant Flying and The Rose are my two favorite bands. I like the band. Well, the only reason I like the not FD Island, C and Blue. The only reason I like C and Blue is because of the main guy, main singer. But other than that, like as a group, I like first and Flying, then and the Rose. So I'm really excited to check this out. Their other song reminded me of so much of like the old song before K-pop I used to listen to, and I don't believe I've done a reaction to them. If I have, I'll put it in the links down below. But I just love their songs, and they're so underrated. Like there's so many, not so many, but like even though there's not much, a lot of bands, I for some reason the Rose is like goes like unnoticed. I don't know why, but anyways, I saw the teaser and I don't know. I didn't get anything from it. But I know that it's going to be amazing. I know it's only 4 members and I should know their names, but unfortunately I don't. I should though, because it's only 4 and it shouldn't take me that long, and I can separate them because each person does a different thing in a group. But sorry about that. Next time I react to them, I'll definitely remember their names. But let's just get this started, and here we go. Is it 12? Woo-hoo. And you know I have a thing for drummers, so there it is. Oh, that voice. Yes. Okay, that's cool. He looks like the 8 there. Oh. The lyrics are they always have good lyrics too. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute. I'm English subtitle. Oh, that's cool. Yes. Okay. I love this. Isn't he the one that I did a reaction to them before? I said he looked like Chenyo. Now he looks like the 8. This is beautiful. He's dying inside. Oh my god. I love the lyrics from what I'm hearing now. Understanding now. Yes, walk down mic. Oh, that's cool. Dead Poet Society. Aww. That looks like an interesting book that I would read. Oh, this is cute. hurt yourself off stage. Make yourself go through that. It's better to be held than holding on. Beautiful masterpiece. These lyrics. Props to whoever wrote them. We have red hair. Ooh, he looks good. Love that hair. It's good. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. Props to the actor, especially the guy. Oh my god. And then he cried. This song. I knew the rose never disappoints. Oh my god. Beautiful. The lyrics were beautiful and sad, and like it made me like relate to them, and they just sang it so well, and they played the instruments so freaking well. I loved this. I really did. I love the Rose. Please give them your full support because they really deserve it. They're so underrated. Just so amazing. The music video is beautiful, like the rain, the black and white, the scenery. He was like a photographer, and the song. Oh my god, the lyrics from what I heard. I need to know more about them. I don't know. Like I say that they're one of my favorite bands, but I don't know anything about them. Like what kind of a band fan am I? And it's just so many groups that it's kind of hard to keep up with, especially if they're really underrated and they don't really not really active, you know. And but yeah, it was beautiful as always. I'll put the links down below to my other reaction because I remember telling you guys that he looks like Chenyol, and now here he looks like he look a little like the eight. But I don't know. He doesn't look like them. He just reminded me of them. I don't know for some reason, but maybe it was the looks. I don't know. Anyways, I love this. I like the drummer because I have a thing for drummers, but at the same time, I like the other two too, like the main singers. Um, but anyways, they look so good. I really enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.